Hey, welcome to Money Making Expert. This is the new Reolink C2 Pro camera. If we look around the box, you can see that it has the Reolink app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. Absolutely brilliant app that we've used before. At the back of the box, it gives the C2 Pro features. It has a 5 megapixel Super HD camera. It has a 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal, 2.4 for better range, 5 GHz for better speed. You've got the SD card option where you can record motion detected footage and then recall that from your mobile phone or computer via the app. You've got the pan, tilt and the new 3x optical zoom feature, so that means you'll be able to zoom in and not lose any image quality. You have the two-way audio, which we've seen in the Reolink Go 4G camera. It was okay, but it did have a slight delay of around 6 to 7 seconds, so we'll see if this one's better. Last is the real-time alerts to your phone, but it can also send it to your email with pictures or videos attached. The previous model of this camera was slightly worse in image quality. It didn't have the 3x optical zoom, and the main thing, it was black, and this one is white. But let's take a look in the box and see what we get inside. So that is the Reolink C2 Pro unboxing. As you saw, it had 3 ports on the back, power, microSD and Ethernet, but after you set it up you can use the Wi-Fi antennas. You have a reset hole on the side and then the QR code underneath where you can scan it using your smartphone app to connect. Overall, it's pretty much completely made of plastic. It feels quite well made. I personally think it looks quite nice as well. You wouldn't mind having it sat on your shelf, but the small chrome band around the middle doesn't really do it for me. But what is this indoor security camera for? Well, you can use it to monitor your front door, of course, possibly a baby monitor, a dog monitor when you're at work. If you run a business, you can use it in the office to monitor staff or at a front desk reception type area. The two-way communication with an indoor camera possibly makes a little bit more sense, so you might use that feature a bit more. There we are. If you're interested in the Reolink C2 Pro, please be sure to subscribe. I'm going to do a full setup and review of this camera in the coming weeks, and we'll see how good it is. If you want to leave a like on the video, I'd really appreciate it, and of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll respond. There's also an Amazon affiliate link for the camera in the description, so if you're buying one, use the link and it helps me out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.